I'm Madison from Fresh Cut Paper, and I'm here to show you how to assemble your Grande Sorbet Roses bouquet. Let's open up the envelope and see what's inside. First, you'll notice a matching note card, and then you'll have your Grande Sorbet Roses bouquet, plus attached instructions. Next, we'll go ahead and unfold the base and remove the attached instruction sheet. Now we can go ahead and push up on the vase. Now set the bouquet down on its base and look for the 6 pull-down stickers within the bouquet. Now we'll lower all 6 stems with the stickers in the bouquet. After lowering all 6 stems, we'll go ahead and remove the pull-down stickers from the bouquet. And now it's ready to be enjoyed. We hope the Sorbet Roses bouquet brightens up your day.